Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad to have you here. Today I just wanted to share with you a really nice product that I've been using on a regular basis, and that is ginseng honey. Now, so this product is really basic. It's just made from raw honey as well as powdered Korean ginseng. It has helped me immensely with improving energy levels, improving focus and concentration, as well as boosting the immune system in times of colds and flu. Now, this is a really simple product. All it is made from is raw Korean ginseng as well as raw honey, and they do store it in a couple of online shops including Amazon and eBay, but I've actually found that iHerb is the best source and the cheapest as well for this product and this brand. So I really advise you to take it if you are having trouble with energy levels, if you're having trouble with fatigue, with trouble concentrating. I will link to the product in the description below if you're interested in purchasing it from iHerb. I'll also link the link to Amazon, but I do need to note that Amazon does sell it very expensive and about like 4 or 5 times the price that iHerb does, and iHerb does offer free worldwide shipping, so it's up to you. Let's just have a look at the brief health benefits of ginseng. Ginseng aids in preventing and managing diabetes. It also helps to improve the health of hair and skin and nails. It aids in preventing colorectal cancer. It also helps in weight loss and aids in reducing stress and anxiety. It's also beneficial in relieving symptoms of aging, and it reduces cognitive decline, and it also reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. There has been numerous positive scientific studies on ginseng, and that's why we have stated the statements that we did, because they're based on scientific research. I will link the article that links to all the scientific research and studies in the description below for those interested to know further. So here I've got a simple DIY version. If you cannot find the ginseng honey, or if you cannot access it for whatever reason, you can also do it at home. All you will need to make your own DIY ginseng honey is 2 ingredients: raw honey as well as dried ginseng root. This dried ginseng root, I got it from the local Asian store. Usually you find the dried ginseng in the tea section or in the spice section. They usually use it as a staple in their cuisine as well as in teas, just like with green tea. They really rely on ginseng for the health and medicinal properties. So you will need the raw honey as well as the dried ginseng. Just powder the ginseng up, put it in a blender or in a food processor and make sure it's powdered. Then add it to the raw honey in a clean jar. Add in the honey and the powdered ginseng, mix together and just store in room temperature. If you're looking at the precise measurements, here I used 1 cup of raw honey along with just a little under 1/4 cup of dried ginseng. I powdered it up and I put it in the honey, and it stores beautifully in room temperature. I usually just take 1 teaspoon whenever I need, and usually 1 is more than enough for the day to give me that extra boost of energy and that boost in the immune system that I need to overcome colds and flus and so forth. So I hope you did enjoy the video. Do check out the product if you're interested in purchasing it. If you find that it's much more easier for you to do a DIY version, I highly advise you to do so. One important note here, I do want to just say a couple of precautions in regards to ginseng. It is not recommended for pregnant or lactating mothers. Also, you need to avoid the use of the root for more than 3 months. And remember, everything in moderation. Always consult a medical professional before adding it to your regular diet or supplement regime. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd love to have you on board. Do subscribe and like and share to support us in making more videos. Take care and bye bye.